Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. I love working with Yukon Gold potatoes. Not only because you don't have to peel them because the skins are so thin, but they're just pretty. Their flesh is a pale yellow color, and they're so versatile in cooking because this potato will hold up to boiling and sauteing and frying and roasting and grilling. You can use them for everything, mashed potatoes, French fries. They just hold up really well to all of that. They've long been enjoyed by Europeans and South Americans. And it wasn't until much later that we started to see them on a regular basis in the grocery store. And that was in around 1980 when Canada figured out how to grow them easily. And so we get a lot of these from Canada, and now, of course, California, too. But this is interesting, too. When Europeans and South Americans were enjoying them, these Yukon Golds were reserved for the chefs of the rich and famous. So they would be dining on these. Why, us normal people would be eating all those other brown potatoes. So I'm going to just pretend I'm a chef to the rich and famous. Maybe Antonio Banderas, I don't know. And I'm going to make this. Now I just steamed 10 of these Yukon Gold potatoes that I cut into bite-sized pieces. And while they're hot, I'm going to put them in my bowl. And that took about 15 minutes. And I'm going to pour 3 tablespoons of melted butter over them because those potatoes will absorb that butter and just add to great flavor. Just give them a little bit of a toss. Get that butter evenly distributed. Now I'm going to add some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, about 1/3 of a cup to give it more moisture. And then here is the lemon part of this recipe. This is the juice and zest of 2 large lemons. Always use the zest. It just adds a whole new dimension to your cooking. And this is Sriracha sauce. I'm going to give it a little boost. So I'm going to whisk together my lemon juice and about 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce. It's a medium hot sauce. It's not overly hot. I'm going to whisk that together. By the way, Sriracha sauce comes from a city in Thailand called Sriracha. And it was first marketed in about 1930. So this gets poured over the potatoes. We need some salt, about a teaspoon. And I love fresh herbs with this as well. Tarragon's one of my favorite herbs, so I have some coarsely chopped fresh tarragon, and that's about 1/3 of a cup. Ooh. I'm going to mix all that together. And as it cools down, a potato is going to absorb even more of all that lemon juice and flavor. So that's mixed. I'm just going to let it cool down a little bit. I like to serve it room temperature, but you can also serve it chilled. Here we go. Love the tart lemon. A little bit of warmth from the sriracha. The herbs work really well. And who doesn't love a great potato salad? So I highly suggest that you have your private chef prepare this for you very soon.